Elgato decided to update the version of Stream Deck. And Stream Deck is this beautiful thing that allows you to just click a button and transfer into a different scene. And this is what it's supposed to look like. But when it stopped working, it looks something like this. You have like all these question marks and stuff. So for me, it was stuck forever on, let's say I want to transfer into a different scene. Here, instead of showing me the scene, it would tell me that we're not connected to, oh my god. So when it stopped working, literally, it showed me here that it's still trying to connect to Streamlabs and that it's fetching a scene. And I was waiting for it for 2 weeks to fetch a scene. And today we fixed it. So let me explain to you how to fix this for those of you who have a Stream Deck and are adamant about not upgrading to Windows 11. So it's a Windows 10 problem. You load your Stream Deck and then it gives you a window of, hey, there's a new version of the app. Would you like to install it? Without telling you that it's only working with Windows 11. And I had to go back and check on my laptop later, and it's written in tiny letters, only if you scroll down, that it's only working with Windows 11. So once you download it, you're basically effed. If you're using Streamlabs desktop OBS to stream, then it tells you that the plugin for Streamlabs is broken. And what do? You click on the marketplace, you download the new plugin, and then you're completely effed. And that's what happened to me. So today, thanks to Snuffy, we were able to get the old plugin. And the way to fix this is actually uninstalling the program. You need to get 6.81 for it to work with Windows and Streamlabs. Install the plugin that I'm gonna upload for you guys. It looks like this. There are actually 2 plugins for Streamlabs OBS. This is one of them. The other one is the longer name. You see how you have like 2 right here? So once you download the older version, the 6.8, you install it. Once you install it, you copy this plugin into your plugins folder. You're still not gonna have the longer one. Actually, I'm gonna probably upload both. So basically, you get those 2 plugins, you put them in, and you're good to go. Now, once you get the old version of the program and you put those plugins in, some of your scenes are gonna look like this with the question marks. So you're gonna have to go here on the Streamlabs, pick the scene, and do this little thing. It's gonna ask you if you want to replace it. You say yes, and then you reprogram them. So I had to reprogram all of these, but it's a small headache relative to the headache of streaming without a Stream Deck. So this is how you fix it. And like a little note, when a new update comes from Streamlabs, probably we shouldn't be downloading it because maybe it's not going to be compatible with this version of Stream Deck. But yeah, this is it basically. No support yet, but this works. It works fine, both on my laptop and on my PC, so we're good to go. Again, thank you so much, Snuffy. You saved my life because we're celebrating 2 years next Friday. And I cannot imagine even trying to stream a party without Stream Deck.